I just want to do God's will. And he's allowed me to go up to the mountain. And I've looked over and I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land.
I'm very honored and humbled to be here today. The Martin Luther King Portrait Awards is the best that you can get in Charleston. And Wendell Gillard has did a fabulous job of making sure that he recognizes that people, I'm not counting about me, but everybody else, and I'm just honored to be in this group now. It's amazing, and I'm very honored.
State Representative Wendell Gillard, the founder of the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Picture Awards, will now come and make you feel welcome.
So I want to say to the heroes and sheroes today, you are here because you are keeping the dream alive. You are the shakers and movers. You do make a difference in this community. And God knows we need leaders with backbones. We need leaders who can only fear God and not man. We need each other.
It brought me to my knees when Wendell Gillard called me and told me that we were a recipient of it. It brought me, because it is an honor and a privilege to be a part of this community of the Martin Luther King Portrait Award. So all of us at Neal Brothers are just ecstatic.
I'm so honored to be here for my good friend, Representative Wendell Gillard, and the 26th Annual Picture Awards for Martin Luther King. You know, this is something I've been looking forward to coming to because people in Washington, D.C. and in the Congress know about this award ceremony and what Wendell has done.
I want to do more now because I see these other people that are giving all they have, and we got to pull everybody up instead of pushing everybody down. So if you live by that standard, when you get out of bed and put your feet on the ground every morning, you'll be a good citizen of Charleston.
We should remember when Wendell Gillard is recognizing the champions and honorees tonight, and I'm so congratulations to you. He is recognizing what Dr. King preached, that it's not one individual who makes progress for justice. It is many people in a movement that makes progress for justice.
I'm not honored. My company is Neal Brothers, as well as the people that work at Neal Brothers. We give every day to the community. We go to Community Resource Center or whatever is involved, that we just jump into it, and it's every member of and family member of our Neal Brothers team.
Dr. King's Promised Land is a place where all of society's laws, religions, and philosophies are dedicated to the principle that all people, regardless of race, ethnicity, gender, religion, no religion, sexual orientation, or age, are equal and entitled to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Everybody should be together. It's about togetherness. When you all come together, the community just thrives and thrives and thrives.
So I leave you in the spirit that, yes, we the people are stronger together. God bless you.